Explosions and subsequent fires were reported at the southern site of Sevastopol in occupied Sevastopol, a major naval city in Russian-occupied Crimea, around 3 a.m. on September 13th. Around 24 were reported injured by Mikhail Razvojev, the head of the illegal Russian occupation government of Sevastopol. Sevmorzavod is a shipbuilding marine plant in occupied Sevastopol, where ships of the Russian Black Sea Fleet are built and repaired. Russian state news agency RIA Novosti reported that the Crimean bridge was temporarily shut down in the early hours of September 13th. No reason has been given for the closure. Earlier tonight, Mikhail Razvojev said Russian air defense was active. However, a fire erupted at one of the city's facilities as a result of what he called a missile attack. The videos online show that at least 3 powerful explosions took place at the plant. Russian media confirmed that 2 ships undergoing repairs there were damaged. Besides, Russian Ministry of Defense claimed an unmanned boat strike on the Black Sea Fleet ships crossing the sea. Allegedly, no damage was caused. On this video, we can see the interception of one of the Ukrainian missiles. It is going down in Moscow. Explosions and fire near the Ostankino Tower in Moscow. Turn on audio. A Ukrainian FPV kamikaze drone penetrates inside of a Russian T-72 by Birds of Magyar unit. Business Insider is relaying word that a recent Russian pilot's high-profile defection has led scores of Russian soldiers to pick up the phone and call Ukraine's surrender hotline. Andriy Yusov of the Defense Intelligence of Ukraine told Radio Svoboda that there has been a 70% daily uptick of calls to I Want to Live, a state-run project which allows Russian soldiers to arrange to give themselves up rather than fight in the war. There is considerable progress on the hotline of I Want to Live, and separately on other communication channels, Isuov said, according to a translation by the Ukrainian Pravda. After the successful Operation Sinitsia with the Mi-8 and the pilot, the number of Russian army servicemen considering such a scenario has increased, he added. Business Insider also reveals that Russia did block the hotline's website after 2,000 Russian soldiers established contact that way last fall. Yet the hotline is still running via telegram and phone, so good luck with that one, Putin. Speaking of the Russian president, he finally started admitting in July that his army is performing abysmally in Ukraine. In recent days, however, he has declared that he does not intend upon ending his invasion of Ukraine. When quizzed further, Putin insisted that he certainly will not stop fighting while Ukraine is mounting a counteroffensive. Meanwhile, Ukraine declared that it won't stop fighting until Russia gets the hell out. In other words, this will be a very long war, but not if every Russian soldier eventually ends up defecting. Ukrainian drone with forks treats Russians. Russian VDV are crying about Ukrainian aviation that is attacking their positions in the Robotyne-Verbov axis every day. Yes, that aviation that the Russians claim to have destroyed in the first 24 hours of the invasion. Putin on Elon Musk. Listen carefully.
Что касается частного бизнеса Илона Маска, он, безусловно, выдающийся человек. Это надо признать. Я думаю, что это и признают во всем мире. Активный, талантливый бизнесмен. У него многое получается, в том числе и при поддержке американского государства. Мы со своей стороны тоже намерены развивать эту работу, и в Роскосмосе принято уже решение, поддержанное правительством, что мы будем привлекать, мы уже привлекаем
The SBU released a new video with destroyed Russian equipment. It includes 3 tanks, 4 APVs, 8 radars and communication systems, 9 pieces of automotive equipment, 9 fortifications, 4 warehouses with ammo and fuel, and a command center for FPV drones. Putin and Kim Jong-un met at the Vostochny Space Center. Kim will be shown the process of assembling the Angara rocket. He and Putin will inspect the launch complex for the Angara and the launch complex for the Soyuz 2 launch vehicle under construction, and then hold negotiations.
Здравствуйте, привет. Как вы добрались? Merci, Mikael. Спасибо, что на свою занятость пригласили нас и тепло приняли.
We are now holding a special meeting in the heart of the space power of Russia. Kim Jong-un thanked Vladimir Putin for the meeting. He emphasized that for the DPRK, the priority is relations with Russia.
А также мы своими глазами смогли увидеть настоящее и будущее российской России, строительстве космической державы. И мы сейчас проводим с вами очень особое время, встречу, именно в сердце державы, космической державы России.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.